As a result of this, what divine relationship becomes restored?
For as many as are led by the Spirit of God, they are the sons of God. Wherefore come out from among them, and be ye separate, saith the Lord, and touch not the unclean thing, and I will receive you, and will be a father unto you, and ye shall be my sons and daughters, saith the Lord Almighty.
When God created humanity, they became his sons and daughters. But sin caused a separation in that relationship. Jesus, by the blood of his sacrifice on the cross, has made the way for that relationship to be restored and for you to be a part of God's family. I leave you today with a quote from History of the Reformation. Learn to know Christ and him crucified. Learn to sing a new song, to despair of your own works and to cry unto him, Lord Jesus, thou art my righteousness, and I am thy sin. Thou hast taken upon thee what was mine, and given to me what was thine. What thou wast not, thou becamest, that I might become what I was not. Without a shadow of doubt, this is the most unfair trade in the history of the universe. Jesus wanted to save the lost human race so much that he decided to become something he was not, a human being. All this for a race at war with his government because of sin. All this because of his love for you. My friend, don't let God's love and mercy toward you be for nothing because you didn't want to swap places with Jesus. Take the time right now to ask Jesus to come into your heart. I promise you won't be disappointed.